Welcome to this video on maximizing motor efficiency by understanding power factor in industrial systems. Power factor, or PF, is the efficiency metric. It is the ratio of real power, which is useful work, to apparent power, the total power supplied. The ideal target is a unity power factor of 1.0. The power triangle consists of real power in kW, which performs useful work, and reactive power in kVAR, which creates magnetic fields but does no work. Apparent power in kVA is the vector sum of both. The problem originates with induction motors, which are inductive loads. They draw a lagging reactive current to establish magnetic fields, causing the power factor to drop, often to 0.8 or lower. A low power factor leads to system losses. It increases current draw, meaning more current is needed to do the same work. This results in thermal waste, generating heat that stresses equipment. The impact on infrastructure includes significant voltage drops across supply lines due to high reactive current. This also reduces capacity, as reactive current clogs transformers and switchgear. Financial penalties are imposed by utilities to cover the cost of supplying apparent power. Industrial users operating below a power factor threshold, often less than 0.95, face heavy charges. The solution to low power factor is power factor correction, or PFC. PFC works by connecting shunt capacitors in parallel with the motor load. These capacitors draw a leading current that neutralizes the motor's lagging magnetizing current, supplying reactive power locally. The benefits of correction include reduced bills by eliminating utility penalties. It increases system capacity and leads to cooler running equipment, extending its lifespan. Correcting the power factor from 0.70 to 0.95 for a 100 kilowatts load significantly reduces the apparent power demand on the grid, lowering system strain from 142 kVA to 105 kVA. We encourage you to explore how optimizing your facility's power factor can lead to immediate operational savings. These are the image sources used in this video.